Okay, reglazing a window. You ever try removing glazing and it's really hard to get off? You try going through it with a utility knife and it's just like, it's like a rock. Well, here's a simple way to solve that problem. You take a regular clothes steamer and it has intense heat and steam, and you could just steam that glazing. If you accidentally put your finger in front of the steamer, it can burn it for sure. So it does the trick for you. It softens that old glazing up, and it doesn't take too long. Do a little area at a time. Let's see if that's enough, just to get this little area off. See, that knife just softened it up enough. Boom, it's gone.